Today we're going to be talking about glitter and the different ways that you can apply glitter. So the first method is the mixed in method. You're going to take a huge glob of clear top coat and just add a little bit of the Sparkling Palms glitter inside. And then you're just going to go ahead and mix it and just pick up a huge glob and literally just paint it on. So this is technique one. The next technique is using the sticky base coat and pour the glitter on top while the coat is still pretty wet. This is the second method. This is called sugaring. So the third method is burnishing. Grab your very loved stamper and just do this if you want and rub it in with your finger, and then you're just gonna stamp it on. Give me hearts if you think this is a technique you'd actually try. And if you would try it, which one? Would you sugar, burnish, or mix it in?